Hey, what is up guys? Before today's video starts, I just want to give a huge shout out to everyone who has been subscribed. We have just recently hit 1K on this channel. That's a big milestone. So to celebrate that, we're going to be doing a shui today, guys. So as you can see here, we're going to be doing a shui. So guys, feel free to join in, celebrate 1K, get your favorite drink, your favorite sneakers, whatever, and let's drink up. So let's go. Bro, this ain't even a fresh shoe. This is my gym shoe for those who know. My Puma gym shoes. Let's go. Check this out. Oh, it's leaking too. It's leaking. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. That one was for you guys. And guys, a big shout out to everyone for subscribing again. Thank you for 1K again. And let's get started with today's video. So boom, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. So in the back of this ute, we have the S2K ASM Front Lip and the Carbon Plus carbon fiber side skirts. So you guys already know that can only mean one thing, which means we're gonna try and build the S2K back to its prime. So we're gonna be officially trying to put the S2K back to its prime before it got defected, So today we're gonna be putting on maybe the wheels, but yeah, we're gonna be guaranteed to put on the front lip and the side skirt. So let's see how things goes, and hopefully the audio quality today's video won't be too bad, as it's hella windy out here today, so that's why I'm doing the intro inside the car. So yeah, we'll see. It might be a bit muffled, hopefully not, but yeah, let's take the stuff out of the ute and yeah, let's go start the build. But who remembers this headliner, one of my first few videos? Check that out. Damn, it's still going strong, but we didn't use proper glue, so as you can see it's a bit, it kind of came off, but I reckon if we used proper glue it would have stuck on. But damn, it still looks good though. Check that out. Damn, actually made this ute 100 times way better. So here it is, for those who remember. Here it is, the carbon fiber side skirts, down, and the ASM front lip, down. Take a look at the car. It's about to change once more. Look at it right here. Down. Just remember this angle right here, because this angle is about to change and it's going to be 100 times way better. Down. But before we actually install it, we actually got to take off my front bumper, as I don't know if I ever showed you guys, but my under tray or my mud flap is actually hanging. So as you guys can see right here, it's actually hanging because yeah, I took off, there was another tray here, but I took that off, so now it's just hanging. And if you drive like this, it actually like scrapes on the floor and shit, and it rubs and it might tear off. So in the meantime, to do that, we're gonna cable tie this to the top so it doesn't fall. So yeah, so before we do all that, yeah, let's clean these up first and then we'll cable tie it. Suss this product out. So just spray a mist, wipe it clean, and then get your clean side microfiber towel and just give it a quick wipe. And look at that, damn, 100 times way better. Can full see the shiny carbon fiber again. Damn, check that out, 100 times way better. Zoom. Zam F20C. Jokes, this is actually a 2JZ with a built RB motor, twin turbo supercharger VTEC engine. Damn, must be nice. Alright, as you guys can see, if we come up close, my mud flaps or my under tray, whatever you want to call it, is hanging loose. So for all the S2K owners, you guys know there's an extra piece that comes straight under, and you know that holds it straight. Well, we took that off and I don't know where I put it. So what I usually do is, as you can see, it's just hanging like this, is I bring it out like this and I cable tie it to the chassis. So the cable tie goes through this, you know, hole right here where the fucking whatever this shit is called. It goes in here like that, through here, and it holds like that. Because if this is dangling, what ends up happening is it just keeps scraping the floor and it doesn't sound too good, and eventually, as you can see, it'll probably eat it. So and then she's good to go. Check this out, 100 times way better and the easiest fix ever. You're not even gonna notice it anyways, unless the car's on the jack anyway, so that's pretty hectic and sick now. And then you know what you do to make it look more cleaner? You get your alakati and then you snip that shit off, bro. Check this out, bro. Look at this. Look at this. Snip. Another one. Another one. Oh my dear. Damn. Check that out. Fuck. It's like OEM now. Look at that, bro. Shit. Guys, just finished putting on the ASM front lip. Check that out. Everything is now back on. 100 times way better. Actually miss this front lip. Damn. Now guys, we can officially install the carbon side skirts. Oof, it's getting there, guys. Hey, remember these APR mirrors? Like I said, hopefully it ties in once everything is back on. Let's go. Alright, you guys ready? Let's have a start. Oh, that's actually minty fresh. That's actually 100 times way better. Oof, I actually missed this setup. It makes the stockies look way better as well. Damn. Because guys, I must admit, man, maybe I don't even need to put the tees back on anymore. Because even with the stockies at this height with the front lip and side skirts, it actually looks fresh. Damn, who knows? Should I put the tees on? Or next time? That's actually 100 times way better now. Damn, carbon fiber. Yeah. Oh, smell E85. Damn, white wheels. Damn. Seiji, that's my mate. What? Seiji. Damn. Oh, I'm not meant to show you guys the white wheels yet, but damn. Oh, what are we doing, mate?
I don't know. I want to pick up your JCX.
Yeah, let's go. Alright, let's go.
Loser.
Yeah, up to you. Wow, must be nice fluttering. Anyways. And he's still flooded.
Yeah, the flood is so good.
Oh, you need side skirts ASAP, yeah? Look, the front looks sick side, man. The back, man. Oh, what's this, man?
Hey.
Oh, it's AG, man.
You're the other half, but tomorrow.
Oh, cheers. Oh, what the hell? Oh, yeah, so man bought my TE37s.
You guys in I'm in debt now.
So, this can go towards my Toyota Crown funds.
just the wing though.
Yeah, just the wing, yeah. But yeah, Toyota Crown. Oh, show this. I'll go put a deposit now on it. Seiji Man's S40. Oh fuck, that's the wrong one, bro. I thought, oh yeah, this the one, yeah. Oh, what are you doing?
Sport edition, man.
Oh, you got sport edition camera, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
Wait, what's this, G? Oh, what the hell?
How you know I did that?
Huh?
How you know I did that?
Hey. No. Alright guys, so new day today, you know. I thought you know, I actually wasn't going to install the TE37s to be honest, but I thought, you know, since we hit 1k subscribers, to celebrate, fuck it, let's put them back on. You know, the car's dead, as you guys saw, like, you know, in a few videos already. I haven't really jump started the car, so I thought, fuck it, you know, the car can look good sitting there. So yeah, it can look pretty sitting there. Let's go check out the TE37s for those who don't remember, or any new subscribers to the channel. So yeah, let's have a sus. So here it is, the TE37s black edition. Damn, who remembers? Damn, fuck, that's actually hella sick. So once again, these are 18 by 9.5 plus 21s. Damn, not bad, not bad. What do you guys reckon? You reckon it's gonna be 100 times way better, or nah? But I reckon it is. Look at this. Like I said, we put on the front lip, side skirts, and now we've got a time to put on the TE37s and bring this car back to its prime. I haven't actually whipped out these bad boys in ages. Check that out. Michelin Pilot Sports 4. And look at the tires, almost new condition, because you guys remember it. I only had these wheels for about 2 weeks before we got the big fat canary defect sticker. But it is what it is. So yeah. Alright guys, we just finished putting on the TE37 and are you guys ready? I gotta say, I missed this look and finally the TE37s are back on. Let's have a sus. Hey, what do you guys reckon? Check that out. And I told you guys, remember last time I said these APR mirrors might look weird on the stock S2000. How about now? It might still look a bit weird because, you know, I know guys, the wheels you know, it looks like a monster truck right now. I haven't really fine-tuned it, but like I said, the mirrors actually tie in when everything is on. Damn, I actually missed this look 100 times. Way better. Damn, tease. Damn. Fuck, don't worry about this. I still gotta fix this next time. So here it is. And you know, the new subscribers are probably thinking, hey, your wheels don't fit. But yeah, I haven't really fine-tuned it. Like I said, I still gotta lower the car so it looks better, and I still gotta play with the adjustable camber ball joint. So yeah, as you can see, I gotta actually camber the wheels in more. But I guess we can do that one next time. But for now, we'll just chuck on the wheels and it looks sick. I can't get over the mirrors as well. Check that out. Damn. Fuck, the mirrors actually tie in well with everything. This is actually almost fully built. It just needs more low and it'll be 100 times way better. So yep guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Hopefully guys enjoyed me putting everything back on the car. Well, not everything, almost everything. And you know, S2K is almost at its prime. So if you guys enjoyed it, make sure to give this video a fat like, PHAT, and comment down below what else should I do to the S2K. To be honest, I'm not too actually sure what I want to do with the S2K next. as it's, you know, it's almost got everything done to it, because as soon as I put the diffuser back on, that's probably about it. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys reckon. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you again for 1,000 subscribers, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Laters.